How to buy tickets on Viagogo. Visit the Viagogo website, open the Viagogo onto your browser and search for the event. Look for the concert, sports event, or show you want to attend. For example, search for Post Malone, select the specific event from the list, view tickets, and click and see the tickets for event to browse available options. Choose the number of tickets you want to purchase. For example, you want 2 tickets. Indicate whether you want the seats to be together. Compare tickets options, review for the event details, and the ticket prices for different seating locations. You can sort the options by price, best view or best price, and view to find the most suitable tickets. Select your tickets and click on the ticket option you prefer. Review the seating details and pricing to proceed and check out. Click select and then continue to start the purchase process. If you're buying tickets as a gift or for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions. Complete your purchase and follow the steps to confirm your purchases. Enter your payment details and any other required informations. Once completed, you will receive confirmation and the tickets tips. Make sure to double check the seating details and event information before finalizing your purchase. Consider sorting tickets by best price and view for a balanced choice of value and experience. That's about it. Thank you for watching.